Hello and welcome to my channel. Please subscribe if you like this so I get more motivation to do more videos. In this video I will show the result of using this Cobra conversion kit for 2 years almost. I have used it, or maybe 2 summers I would say. I only used this car on summertime. I love my car. I don't know how far I've driven it, but maybe 500 miles or so. I don't use it on a racetrack or drag strip, only on the street, back and forth to the job, having fun, highway and so forth. And this Cobra brake has been very nice to have, much better than stock. If you will drive on a racetrack, I probably would not recommend it. It doesn't have the racetrack performance as you get from other manufacturers. Well, the purpose of this video is to show you the result. And as you can see, the disc is aftermarket, not a Ford one, and I would recommend not to buy these with a vent because it gives you some vibrations when you're using the brake. Not much, but it vibrates a tiny. So choose completely flat or only drilled. I think that's more convenient if you will use it on the street mostly. Also use don't buy Mustang Steve's bolts. You have to change these from, you can't use the stock bolts from the stock spindle. They will be too short. I bought from Moser Engineering's, cut them to correct length, so that was great quality. Also, you have to be prepared to make some spacers because this caliper is quite fat, and I have 17 rims from torque thrust, and the caliper hit the inside of these rims. If you have bigger rims, maybe it will clear, but I needed about 10 millimeters of shim to get by, but no problems. Also, I recommend you to manufacture I don't know the name, but so this is wheel spacer to get the wheel centered to the hub. That will take care of any vibrations. So it looks very nice still. I only drive on summertime, so there is not much wear and tear from the water and rain. What I also would recommend if you are going to do this conversion is to ditch the vacuum booster unit. Well, if you have a stock engine, maybe the vacuum booster will work, but if you have a little bit tuned up engine, you will drop some vacuum, and these it's feel like these are sensitive to low vacuum. So I have also during these years converted to a Hydro Boost unit from a 2007 Mustang. I can show you here if you can see. It's hard to see, but here's the Hydro Boost unit from a that's are driven with oil from the servo pump unit, so you don't have any vacuum canister or stuff like that, that can be an issue. In fact, I would recommend you to do this upgrade before you do the Cobra 13-inch upgrade, since most of the power, maybe I get it felt like I got double the power from the Hydro Boost unit. Well, this is what I can show you at the moment. Not so much to show you. There's the kit from Mustang Steve. This was not treated when I got it from Mustang Steve, so I have plated it with the, I don't know the exact name, but you say not gold plate, yeah, the zinc phosphate, I think it's correct, the name. So I think that was a good thing to do. Do not paint these, since it will build the material and you will not get correct tolerances. Also, paint is soft, so I feel that keeping the bare metal is the best way. Well, here's the stock spindle, stock 1969 hub, and how it cleared the Cobra brake. I can't focus. Well, that's it. So if you have any questions, please write it in the comments section, or contact me if you need to have something to ask. Bye.